Manchester is big. London is big, but they're not the same size. How do we compare two things? Hi, I'm Luke. I'm an ESL professional and I'm here to help. Manchester is big. London is bigger. Big Ben is tall. The Eiffel Tower is taller. A horse is fast. A cheetah is faster. Big, tall, and fast are short adjectives with one syllable. To make a comparison, we add ER. Florence is popular. Venice is more popular. Bikes are dangerous. Motorbikes are more dangerous. Children are adventurous. Teenagers are more adventurous. Oxford is beautiful. Cambridge is more beautiful. Shots fired, I know. Popular, dangerous, adventurous, and beautiful are long adjectives with 3 syllables or more. To make a comparison, we add more in front of the word. Now, let's compare in the same sentence. London is bigger than Manchester. Venice is more popular than Florence. To do this, add the comparative and than. Let's practice. Choose 2 animals from your country and compare them. Which is bigger? Which is faster? Which is more dangerous? And which is more beautiful? I'll choose a rabbit and a fox. Foxes are bigger than rabbits. Rabbits are faster than foxes. Foxes are more dangerous than rabbits, and, in my opinion, foxes are more beautiful than rabbits. Do you agree? What about 2-syllable adjectives? Cities are dirtier than towns. English is easier than Japanese. Adults are more careful than teenagers. In general, 2-syllable adjectives that end in Y change to IER. 2-syllable adjectives that end in FUL, we add more. There are some irregular adjectives, good and bad. The beach is better than the mountains. The flu is worse than a cold. Let's practice. Choose 2 cities from your country. Which is bigger? Which is more popular? Which is dirtier? And which is better for tourists? Write your comparison in the comments below. And to learn how to compare more than 2 things, watch our video on superlatives.